check. Made some snatch from here today. We're going to check this out on March 2014. These are the tools you're going to use today. 15mm wrench. And I'll be about simply the best. Alright, what I always start off with doing is open up the cap, so that way when you start draining it, it just drains a lot faster. Usually you want to run your car for a little bit before you change your oil, because somehow it helps the oil come out. I don't know. I'm not a professional here, but I definitely know what I'm doing. When you get underneath the car, your oil filter will be right here, and then your drain plug will be right here. You shouldn't even need a jack to get this. Like I'm literally laying underneath here. I don't even need a full arm in here. So I'll go ahead and get that done. Now usually you could do this without getting oily, but I seem to have not been able to do that today. Let that all drain. Put your filter on. Because right now, it doesn't really matter which order you do this in. Make sure you get oil on the rubber ring. Make sure the other ring that is on the old filter is not on the motor. Because then you'll have a leak, and it'll be bad. Alright. Wipe it on the environment. You're gonna need that hand tight. That's why people make oil filter wrenches, is because people like to over tighten them. And then they stay on, and then you can't get it off, and it sucks. Just like that, very minimal oil. I'm gonna go ahead and dab the oil off this, and then check the end if it's magnetic, because you'll have metal shavings there maybe. Mine does not seem to have any metal shavings, so that's good. He's got 209,000 miles on it or something like that. 204, I don't remember. This may take a couple minutes, so be ready to wait. Go ahead and inspect the undercarriage of your car while you're here. Take the people inside, make sure there's no there. All messed up. Alright, let's probably let us sled to a drop. Just snug. Snug as a bug. So with that, take a drag.
Wow.
It looks like I'm gonna need new switching boat soon. Alright. Alright, once you get done tightening your oil drain plug and your oil filter on, what you should do is take this guy and you start putting on your oil in.
So you probably should already have the cap off, right? I already have it off. Because I like
The oil to train a lot faster. Don't do what I just did.
that was a close one. I didn't even know that.
Where the bag is. And so spilled oil in place. Probably check underneath, make sure you're not leaking.
job right. Is that big on? Don't go if any. Is it do what you can? Not ready yet, but take your lipstick. You guys really want to get Mark with it. All back on now. And then I usually let it sit, and since I was doing that, I let it sit. So last time I'm done all the change on this thing. This is supposed to be changed at 196,000. So I'm gonna guess 4,000 before that. And it's got 208,000. What you do, I already did it, but you go in your settings. Settings. vehicle. Right, left reset, and you click OK. And then I'll reset. And then ta-da. And my light's only on because I have a low tire right now. And I have progressive. So yeah. No weird noises. So yeah. So there you have it. That's how you do an oil change in a 2014 Ford Explorer. Bare necessity tools. Even a caveman can do it. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.